Hi, welcome to Foresights TV and this is Anushka Tyagi with you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to deliver a significant address at the upcoming 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly UNGA. Scheduled for the afternoon of September 26th, PM Modi's speech comes amidst a backdrop of global anticipation as leaders converge at the UN headquarters in New York for the annual general debate. PM Modi's appearance at the UNGA follows his recent bilateral visits to Russia and Austria, marking a continuation of India's diplomatic engagements on multiple fronts. The session of the UNGA promises to be particularly pivotal, with discussions expected to encompass a wide range of global issues from climate change to digital governance. The general debate, spanning from September 24 to 30th, will commence with Brazil traditionally opening the session on September 24th, followed by the United States with President Joe Biden's final address before the upcoming presidential elections. Modi's participation underscores India's commitment to global cooperation and leadership, especially in the wake of securing a historic third term as Prime Minister. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres will present his report, setting the stage for the general debate, while also convening the ambitious summit of the future aimed at forging new international consensus on pressing global challenges. The summit, scheduled for September 22-23, seeks to adopt the Pact for the Future, focusing on issues ranging from digital compact to sustainable development goals. PM Modi's address at the UNGA holds significance not only in terms of India's foreign policy priorities, but also in shaping global discourse on critical issues affecting nations worldwide. It provides a platform for India to articulate its vision for a better future, emphasizing the importance of effective global cooperation in addressing current political, economic, and environmental challenges. The provisional list of speakers released by the UN places India's head of government in a prominent slot, highlighting India's role on the international stage under Modi's leadership. Has a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. As world leaders gather at the United Nations for the 79th session of the General Assembly, all eyes will be on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address on September 26th. His speech is expected to outline India's stance on key global issues and reaffirm its commitment to multilateralism and sustainable development. With the UN General Debate serving as a pivotal forum for international diplomacy, Modi's participation signifies India's proactive engagement in shaping a collaborative global agenda. Stay tuned as the UNGA unfolds, promising insightful deliberations and potential advancements towards a more inclusive and sustainable future.